campgrounds in Bull Shoals.
Here's Met 7. They now advise 178 towards Baxter County, right next to Mark.
25, let's stay around you.
1047.
State's got lead.
TVI.
25, stay with them.
1047.
Harrison, I braked out.
Driver side rear tire slide.
1047.
Stay out.
Bill, if I'm gonna run
Lance should be on the way, so.
I'm gonna run and check on it.
Okay. Yes, ma'am, go ahead.
Are you okay?
I'm good.
Oh, dear, was that
I did that.
Oh, sorry, officer.
No, that's what we do. We're not getting to hurt somebody else.
I watched the pit maneuver videos, and you Arkansas State Troopers are amazing.
We don't mess around.
Good.
Well, thank you.
Good job. I'm glad you're okay.